दोस्तों आज के इस लेसन में मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ रोज़मर्रा के इंग्लिश फ़िक्रात। इन फ़िक्रात को आप हमारे साथ सीखते हुए अपनी प्रोनाउंसिएशन और एसेंट को बहुत अच्छी तरह से इम्प्रूव कर पाएंगे। पर शर्त यह है कि आप हमारे पीछे पीछे रिपीट कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और साथ साथ बोलिए, तभी आप इन फ़िक्रात से अपनी इंग्लिश बेहतर बना पाएंगे। दोस्तों हमारे साथ यूँ ही बआसानी उर्दू से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक का बटन ज़रूर प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो चलिए दोस्तों अपनी आज की इस वीडियो का हम कर लेते हैं आगाज़। डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। नो आई डोंट वांट, नो आई डोंट वांट। सी यू, सी यू, सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम। So I do, so, so. Allow me, allow me. I can't wait, I can't wait. I don't have time, I don't have time. I am busy, I am busy. I am tired, I am tired. I don't agree, I don't agree. Cheers up, cheers up. Come on, come on. Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Don't move, don't move. Don't worry, don't worry. Enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself. Are you done? Are you done? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Did you get it? Did you get it? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? How are you? How are you? Follow me. Follow me. God bless you. God bless you. I feel much better. I feel much better. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. Let's catch up. Let's catch up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I am sorry. I am sorry. They like each other. They like each other. I apologize. I apologize. I admire you. I admire you. Have a good weekend. Have a good weekend. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. Good night. Good morning. Good afternoon. Come with me. You are going too fast. You are going too fast. Stop making such a noise. Stop making such a noise. It's not of your business. It's none of your business. It's up to you. It's up to you. It's very thoughtful of you. It's very thoughtful of you. So दोस्तों, this is it for today. We will be talking then experience. Take care. Bye for now.